According to the National Restaurant Association's 2009 industry forecast, on any given day this year, more than 130 million of us will be food service patrons. 76% of adults say they're trying to eat healthier than they did 2 years ago when it comes to dining out. As Americans continue to fight the battle to eat healthier, here are some interesting facts. The average American adult purchases a meal or snack from a restaurant 5.8 times a week. 48% of the food dollar is spent in the restaurant community. Nearly 3 in 10 adults, 27%, have gone online to search for nutritional information about restaurant food, up from 24% a year ago.
Most Americans spend about half of every dollar on food. Their food dollars are spent at away-from-home food, so that's close to $566 billion this year, and that's billion with a B.
Making healthier choices at restaurants is easier if you prepare ahead. Check guides that show you the nutritional content of meal choices at your favorite restaurants.
There's also a really great resource that's available to you that's free. It's called healthydiningfinder.com, and you can log on and put in your zip code or your city or state, where if you're traveling it's a great resource as well. And you can find restaurants in your area that offer healthier choices and then view the corresponding nutrition information for those items.
Restaurants like Chili's are stepping up to the plate when it comes to lower calorie options.
Chili's has actually dedicated an entire section of their menu to their Guiltless Grill items. All of those menu items are under 750 calories, 25 grams of fat, and 8 grams of saturated fat. They have a variety of menu items from a honey mustard glazed salmon to carne asada steak with pico de gallo, and even a buffalo chicken sandwich. All of these dishes include seasonal vegetables topped with Parmesan cheese.
To learn more about restaurants in your area, log on to healthydiningfinder.com. Or to learn more about Chili's Guiltless Grill options, visit chili's.com.